Sixth grade Excel, lesson 139, calculating the volume of a triangular prism or a cylinder. We might say, and a cylinder. We're going to learn how to do both. All right, here's a triangular prism right here. You can see that it's a block that's in the shape of a triangle. The end or base of a triangular prism is a triangle. They colored it green here for you. Therefore, the volume, the space inside the prism, is calculated by multiplying the length height of the prism by the area of the triangle base. Think of it this way. When you're finding the volume of a regular prism, not a very good drawing, but you guys get the idea. You're really finding the area of the bottom down here because you multiply this number times that number, and then you multiply it by the height. You're going to do the same thing with this shape here. You're going to find the area of the triangle and then multiply it by how tall it is. What is the volume of a triangular prism with a length of 6 inches and a triangular end with a height of 4 inches and a base of 8 inches? So what they're saying is that the triangle at the bottom has a height of 4 inches from here up to here and has a base of 8 inches. And you have to know how to find the area of a triangle. And then the height of the whole shape up to the top is 6 inches. So first find the area of this triangle, then multiply it times how tall the shape is. So remember, to find the area of a triangle, we multiply these together and then we cut it in half. We divide by 2. So 8 times 4 is 32. We divide that by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So the area of the triangle at the bottom is 16 square inches. Now we have to take that and multiply it by 6 to find the volume, because the volume is going to be the space inside this triangular prism. 96 cubic inches or 96 cubic inches. Remember, volume is cubic inches because we're finding out how many little tiny cubes that are, in this case, 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. How many cubes can we fit inside of there? And of course, in a triangular prism, they're not going to fit perfectly inside, but that's how much space is on the inside of that shape. All right, go ahead and pause the video, try this one, turn the video back on when you're ready for the solution. And it says that the height of this thing is 3 feet, so that means it's going to be 3 top to bottom. We're going to have a triangle at the bottom like this, right? And that triangle is has a height of 7 and a base of 6. So down here at the bottom, it's 7 by 6, which is 42, but to find the area of a triangle, you have to divide the answer by 2, so that's 21. The area of the triangle is 21 square feet, and then you have to multiply that times the height of the prism, which is 3, so you get 63 cubic feet. Just some little multiplication and division that you're doing, nothing too hard, you just have to know the steps that you go through. All right, now what about a cylinder? Cylinder is the exact same idea. You're going to find the area of the circle and then multiply it by the total length or the total height of the cylinder. And remember, the area of a circle is pi r squared. We say that all the time in class. Pi r squared, pi r squared. So find the area of the circle, multiply it by this. Here's an example. What is the volume of a cylinder with a height of 10 centimeters? That means it's 10 from here to here, and a base radius of 4 centimeters. So first you find the area of this circle, you square the r, that's 16, pi r squared, you multiply 3.14 times that, you get 50.24 square centimeters for the area of this triangle right here. Then you multiply that times the height, and on this problem the height is 10. That's really easy to multiply. You just move the decimal point over one spot to make the number bigger, and it's 502.4 cubic centimeters. If I went too fast for you, back up the video, watch that part again. All right, pause the video, try this one on your own, and then turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. What is the volume of a cylinder with a height of 2 meters and a base radius of 1 meter? Oh, this is so easy. So to find that, we have to first find the area of this circle, which is 3.14 times 1 squared. Okay, 1 squared is still 1. So the area is going to be 3.14 because 3.14 times 1 is equal to 3.14. And then we have to multiply that times the height, which is 2. You should be able to do that in your head. 6.28, and that would be cubic meters. 6.28 cubic meters is the volume of that cylinder. And thanks for watching.